All right, guys, the roller coaster. Go around that first cone to the outside, around everything, around 2 cones. Okay, this is actually probably gonna be a little bit easier. Shouldn't have said that. All right, so then around everything. Up here, around to the outside, shift body, around everything, around these 2 cones. Shift hard to the body, to the left, shift hard. Whew. I think I'm getting dehydrated or dizzy. All right, guys, 23.1. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Here we go, 3, 2, 1 for a warm-up. So around this first cone, around this, around this, around everything, and then around those 2 cones, and then cut back to where I just crossed right here. So around these 2 cones, shift in my body, shift in my body, exit out. All right, let's see what the time is. 20.78, so 20.7. All right, let's see if we can beat that. 3, 2, 1. Around these. Around these. Oh, scraping the peg. Shift body, exit out. 20.7 is what I had originally. Let's see, 19.8, baby. Woo! All right, that was the roller coaster. All right, guys. We just finished all the drills. I did it all in, let's see, what's the time on this? 48 minutes, but it took me 2.5 minutes setting up. So about 45 minutes, all the drills. You only need the same setup. You just change the arrows and the designs, and you just use the same setup. That's why you have it on your phone. Highly recommend getting the Smart Rider drills. Participate in the Smart Rider games. Hope you guys do good. Post your times in the comments. I'd love to see your times. And I'll see you guys on the next drill session.